Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today, we are here to help you with a very real problem, a problem many people feel every day. You walk into a clothes shop. You look around. You see shirts, you see pants, you see dresses. You want to speak, but your English feels small. Your voice feels quiet. Your heart feels fast. You think, what do I say? Does this feel like you?
Yes, this is very normal. Many people feel this way. You are not alone. Shopping for clothes in English can feel scary, but today we will go slow, very slow. We will use easy English, short sentences, kind words. We will help you speak with calm and confidence.
That's right. You can do this, we promise. By the end of this lesson, you will know what to say in a clothes shop. You will know how to ask for help. You will know how to ask the price. You will know how to try clothes. You will know how to say yes. You will know how to say no.
And we will repeat many times because repetition helps memory. Repetition helps confidence. We will speak like real people, two friends talking, two teachers helping.
So take a deep breath, sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, smile a little. Let's begin.
Imagine this. You walk into a clothes shop. The door opens. You hear soft music. You see many clothes. A shop worker smiles at you. The shop worker says something.
The shop worker often says, hello, or hi, or can I help you?
Let's start with this. Hello. Very easy. Say it with us. Hello.
Hello.
Good. Again. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. Now, hi. Short and friendly. Hi.
Hi.
Again. Hi.
Hi.
Good job. Now the shop worker may say, can I help you? This is a very common sentence. Can I help you? It means, do you need help? It means the person wants to help you.
Listen again. Can I help you? Slow. Can I help you?
Now you repeat. Can I help you?
Say it slowly. It's okay.
Can I help you?
Very good. One more time.
Can I help you?
Nice. Now, what can you say? You have two easy choices. You can say yes, or you can say no.
Let's start with yes. You can say, yes, please. Very polite. Very kind.
Repeat after me. Yes, please.
Again, yes, please.
Good. Now, no. Sometimes you do not need help. That is okay. You can say, no, thank you.
Listen. No, thank you. Slow. No, thank you.
Now you say it. No, thank you.
Again, no, thank you.
Perfect. Remember this. Yes, please, and no, thank you. These two sentences are very powerful, very useful.
Now let's move forward. You are in the shop, you see a shirt, you like the shirt, you want to talk about the shirt.
First, let's learn one very important word, this. This is for one thing, near you, close to you.
For example, you hold a shirt. You can say, this shirt.
Listen, this shirt.
Now you repeat, this shirt.
Good. Again, this shirt.
Nice. Now another word, that. That is for one thing far from you, not close.
For example, the shirt is on the wall. You point, you say, that shirt.
Repeat, that shirt.
Again, that shirt.
Good. Now let's use a full sentence. You want to ask about the price. You want to know the cost, the money.
A very simple sentence is, how much is this?
Listen carefully. How much is this?
Slow. How much is this?
Now you repeat. How much is this?
Again, how much is this?
Very good. If the shirt is far, you can say, how much is that?
Listen, how much is that?
Now you say it. How much is that?
Nice. Remember, this for near, that for far.
Now let's practice with clothes words. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes.
Shirt. Repeat. Shirt.
Pants. Repeat. Pants.
Dress. Repeat. Dress.
Shoes. Repeat. Shoes.
Great. Now let's put it together. How much is this shirt?
Repeat after me. How much is this shirt?
Again, slowly. How much is this shirt?
Good job. Now another important thing. Size. Clothes have sizes. Small, medium, large.
Listen. Small, medium, large.
Repeat. Small,
Medium.
large.
Good. You may want a different size. You can say, do you have this in medium?
Listen carefully. Do you have this in medium?
Slow. Do you have this in medium?
Now you repeat. Do you have this in medium?
Again. Do you have this in medium?
Very good. You can change the size word small or large.
Do you have this in small?
Do you have this in large?
Very good. Now let's talk about trying clothes. You want to try the shirt. You want to wear it and see.
A very common sentence is, can I try this on?
Listen. Can I try this on?
Slow. Can I try this on?
Now you say it. Can I try this on?
Again, can I try this on?
Perfect. This sentence is very important. Use it again and again.
Now let's make a small real conversation. Emily is the shop worker. I'm the customer.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
Can I try this on?
Yes.
Thank you.
You see? Very simple, very calm. You can do this.
Now let's talk about some small mistakes. Many beginners say, how much this? Not this, but this. How much is this?
Yes, we need the word is, not how much this, but how much is this.
Another mistake, people say, I try this. Not this, but this. Can I try this on?
Good. Add can I. It sounds polite and correct.
Let's repeat the correct sentences again. How much is this?
Can I try this on?
Do you have this in medium?
Very nice. Now, let's slow down. Breathe. Smile. You are learning.
Imagine again, you are in the shop. You feel calm. You speak slowly. The shop worker listens.
You are doing great. You are brave. English is coming.
We will continue with more practice, more talking, more confidence.
Stay with us. We are here to help you every step. Let's keep going, my friend. We are still in the clothes shop. You are doing well. Nothing is rushed. Everything is calm.
Now you try the shirt. You look in the mirror. You think about it. You may like it, or you may not like it. Both are okay.
First, let's learn how to say you like it. Very simple. You can say, I like it.
Listen, I like it.
Now you repeat, I like it.
Again, I like it.
Good. You can also say, it's nice.
Listen, it's nice.
Repeat, it's nice.
Very good. Short, easy, friendly.
Now, maybe the size is not good. Maybe it is too big or too small.
Let's learn these words. Too big. Listen, too big.
Repeat, too big.
Too small. Listen, too small.
Repeat, too small.
Good. Now use a sentence. It's too big.
Repeat, it's too big.
Again, it's too big.
Or, it's too small.
Repeat, it's too small.
Nice. Very clear English.
Now, maybe the color is not right. You can say, I don't like the color.
Listen, I don't like the color.
Repeat slowly. I don't like the color.
Good. That is honest. That is okay.
Now let's practice saying no politely. This is very important.
You can say, no, thank you. We learned this before.
Or you can say, I'm just looking.
Listen carefully. I'm just looking.
Slow. I'm just looking.
Now you repeat. I'm just looking.
Again, I'm just looking.
This sentence is very useful. You can use it many times.
Now let's do another real conversation, this time longer. Listen and feel the rhythm.
Hello,
Hi.
can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
Do you have this in medium?
Yes, we do.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the room is there.
Thank you.
How is it?
It's nice, but it's too big.
Do you want a smaller size?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You see, this is real life. This is normal. This is English you can use today.
Now, let's talk about paying. You want to buy the shirt.
You can say, I'll take it.
Listen, I'll take it.
Repeat, I'll take it.
Again, I'll take it.
Very good. This means I want to buy it.
Or you can say, I want this.
Listen, I want this.
Repeat, I want this.
Simple and clear.
Now the shop worker may ask, cash or card?
This means how you want to pay.
You can say, cash.
Or card.
Repeat, cash.
Card.
Good. Very easy words.
Now, let's talk about another common mistake. Many learners feel shy. They do not speak. They only point.
Pointing is okay, but speaking is better. Even one word is good.
Even saying this is good. Even saying medium is good.
Do not wait for perfect English. Not perfect, but clear.
Not fast, but slow.
Not long sentences, but short.
You are learning. That is enough.
Now let's do some repeat after me practice. Please speak out loud if you can.
Ready? Can I help you?
Your turn. Can I help you?
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
How much is this?
How much is this shirt?
Do you have this in medium?
Do you have this in medium?
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
It's too big.
It's too big.
It's too small.
It's too small.
I like it.
I like it.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Wonderful. You are speaking English.
Now, let's imagine a small problem. The shop worker speaks fast. You do not understand.
That is okay. You can ask them to repeat.
You can say, sorry,
Listen. Sorry?
or can you say that again?
Listen slowly. Can you say that again?
Repeat, can you say that again?
Very polite. Very useful.
You can also say, slowly, please.
Repeat. Slowly, please.
This helps you. Do not feel bad.
Everyone learns. Everyone asks.
Now let's do one more long conversation. Listen, feel confident.
Hello. Welcome.
Hi,
Can I help you?
I'm just looking.
Okay.
How much is that jacket?
It is $30.
Do you have this in large?
Yes.
Can I try this on?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
How is it?
I like it.
Great.
I'll take it.
Cash or card?
Card.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Very natural.
Now let's recap. We repeat again. This helps memory.
When you enter the shop, you say hello or hi.
When they ask, can I help you? You say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
To ask the price, you say, how much is this?
To ask the size, you say, do you have this in medium?
To try clothes, you say, can I try this on?
To say you like it, I like it.
To buy it, you say, I'll take it.
Very good. These sentences are your tools.
Keep them, use them, repeat them.
Practice at home, practice in your head, practice in the shop.
You are not weak, you are learning.
You are not bad at English, you're growing.
Be kind to yourself.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We will see you again. Keep going. You can do this.